Sedimentary rocks. Due to weathering action of water, wind, and frost, existing rocks disintegrates. The disintegrated material is carried by wind and water. The water being most powerful medium. Flowing water deposits its suspended materials at some point of obstacles to its flow. These deposited layers of materials get consolidated under pressure and by heat. Chemical agents also contribute to the cementing of the deposits. The rocks thus formed are more uniform, fine-grained, and compact in their nature. They represent a beaded or stratified structure in general. Sandstones, limestones, mudstones, etc. belong to this class of rock.